Hi everyone, today we're gonna review the verb tener. Tener means to have and it's an irregular verb. Let's review the chart together, mostly for the pronunciation. Yo, which is the regular form, yo tengo. Tú tienes, then we can have ella tiene. Nosotras tenemos, vosotros tenéis. Don't forget the accent. And ellos tienen. So we can use tener with physical traits. In this case, we can use tener to describe a person's physical trait. And I'm going to give you some examples. You already saw them in the past units. Mi padre tiene una nariz muy grande. Or another sentence. Mi hermana y yo somos gemelas y tenemos el pelo rubio. My sister and I are twins and we have blonde hair. Tenemos. And then you put what you're describing. There is a new construction that we're going to look at today, which is tener más que más infinitive. This is used to talk about obligation, to say what you have to do, for example. I have to sleep tonight. I have to work. I have to record this video. And so this is the construction. Tener, you conjugate that. Que, infinitivo. Infinitivo are all the verbs in the infinitive that always end in R. So, hablar, haber, dormir, vivir. Nuestros primos tienen que limpiar la casa. Our cousins have to clean the house. And here we have the translation. Or another example. Tengo que estudiar para mi examen de matemáticas esta noche. I need to study for my exam, for my math exam tonight. I'm using the construction tener que. It's very direct. So I'm saying like you have to, I have to, we have to. If you want to be a little bit more polite and when you're talking just in general, like kind of like giving like, hey, this is the rule of the house. I don't want to point out at one student, you have to study more. I can say this construction that is impersonal with I más que más infinitive. And so the subject is not explicit and is more impersonal. And here I can put an example. Hay que memorizar el vocabulario. I know that 3 students have not been doing that. Instead of telling them, you have to, tienen que, I can just say, hay que memorizar el vocabulario. Adiós.